day. Welcome to Kingwilliam's Everything. I thought we'd do something kind of fun today and make some waffles. Everybody likes a waffle. And I got this just Millville buttermilk, just the cheap stuff, nothing fancy. And I mixed it up according to the directions for waffles. Let's see, where's it at? It's on here somewhere. It tells you how to make waffles. Oh, here you go. Preheat waffle iron, done. Combine the ingredients, done. 1.5 cups water, 2 cups milk, or 2 cups mix, 2 tablespoons oil, blah, blah, blah. But to make it fun, I used a little red food coloring just for fun because I kind of felt a little wild today. Maybe make some festive 4th of July waffles. So we'll see how these turn out. I already mixed it up nice and smooth here. You can see it's got kind of a nice reddish. I'm hoping it gets a lot darker. But we're going to put these in the waffle iron and give them a test. Okay, so we got the waffle iron heating up. Here's a tip. If you ever want a waffle iron, don't go to the store. Don't buy one at the store. Go to Goodwill or check around some garage sales, because what you'll find is people buy these, never ever use them or get them as gifts, and then they're just dumping them off at a garage sale or Goodwill. Goodwill's a good place. You always can, if you need like 5 of them right now, you can probably find 5 right there. But and usually like $1 or $2. So not a bad deal. And I think I had gotten this one here at a garage sale for $1, brand new. You can see it's a little dirty right now because I made some waffles with it. But for $1 or $2, can't go wrong. So let's make some waffles. She's hot. Let's see what we got here. Put the mixture in. I like to put a blob on each one. Then kind of smooth it out, fill it in. Put too much, it oozes over. That, like that. It seems like the first one always comes out bad. I don't know why. Maybe it takes a while to get it oiled up or something. And then we seal her up. Okay, so you kind of stop steaming. That's kind of when you know she's ready. Oh, look at that. Not very red. Not very red at all. Oh, nice and fluffy. Let's see at the bottom. Oh, very nice. These are perfect. Let's do another one. Let's get him a plate for him. Put him on a plate. Come here, Mr. Plate. And put it right there. Ain't that beautiful? It is reddish. It's not. Let's grab another one. Put my blob. Blob. Kind of smear it around. Without making a big mess. I need a little bit more over here. I do put just a smidge, a splash of vanilla in them, just to kind of give it a little nicer, fun taste. Okay, we'll close her up. And when she stops steaming, she's ready. Then we'll do one more and we'll feast. Okay, let's check this one out. Oh, another beautiful one. Nice and fluffy. Let's check the bottom. Come on. Oh, very nice. What's kind of cool about these, let me start one more. I did eat one already. I couldn't help myself. But it's red on the inside. That was kind of the goal anyway. Like I said, don't overfill this, because you end up making a big mess. Keep it just level. And close her up. I'm going to show you the waffle here. Look at that. Nice and reddish on the inside. Actually, these are quite fluffy. Very, very nice. And there you go. Festive waffles.